And the standard deviation, S of x, is the square root of the variance. And if you haven't memorized these, how many got that today? So hopefully it's most people. Looks like most people. Those that didn't do it, I can ask you, why didn't you do it? And people tell me things like, well, I'm lazy, or I'm planning not to memorize anything till the night before the exam. Now, this isn't football season, but some of you played sports. You know that a quarterback that tells the coach, I'm not going to look at the playbook, coach, until the night before the big game, it'd be totally ridiculous. Or I'm going to do a whole lot of push-ups the night before the game. You know, I'm not going to come to workouts, coach. I'm going to do a lot of push-ups the night before the game. You know that that doesn't work. And what I say in class each time depends on what happened previously, so that's not a strategy, not a successful strategy to wait till the last minute. Plus, of course, then it only lasts for a few minutes and you forget it, and that's not the point of education. So by all means, memorize these equations right away. Standard score of x sub I is e sub x bar, and we're going to keep using this and building on it, is x sub I minus x bar divided by s sub x. So memorize that. And then there's the standard normal distribution. Let me just comment on this before it gets erased. There's going to be exam Tuesday. There'll be a review today at 4 o'clock. That Kyle will be leading in Pollock Library in room, and it's kind of hard to see. It's SGSR 211. That's, he thinks that stands for something like the student group study room or something like that. But in Pollock Library, 211.
If you're there right at 4, we're going to meet right at the desk where you would go to check out those rooms. You're all freshmen, so you probably don't know exactly where that is, but it's on the ground floor of the library. And you will see me standing in front of a desk. It's either to the right or the left, depending on what door you're